Welcome to Copy Command Manifest Lab. In this lab, we'll be loading the data using the manifest. So when you have files in different buckets or the files do not share the same prefix, you can use the manifest to load the data in that zip. In order to use the manifest, we have to provide this JSON formatted file, in which what you do, you provide the path where the file is located, and sometimes you can provide whether this file is mandatory. This file has to be available at the path, and if the mandatory is true and if the file is not available, then your load will fail. You can create the manifest file when you do the unload. We are going to do the unload in the next section when we are going to do the data processing, but for now we'll be using the manifest to load the data. To know further more about the manifest, when you load the data in the ORC or Parquet format, in the manifest command, you need to know the content, that how much data that file contains, and that is also be available when you do the unload. So in this one, we are going to load the data using the manifest file, and let's go and take a look at the manifest file. So in the course material, there are two manifest files were provided, manifest 1 and the manifest 2. So this is the first manifest file where what we're doing, I have updated the path to my files. So this is the path 00, 01, 02 and 03. So if you look at this one, this is the path. So please go ahead and update your manifest file because you need to provide the path of your file. This is the folder we have where we have put the data. So when you go to the SC bucket, in the SC bucket, the copy command examples, there is the manifest, and in the manifest there is the path. So you go copy the SC URL and load the data. So update the manifest file the same way it is over here. In this one, the last fourth file, part 03, which is not available and we have made as a mandatory false. So that's why when we are going to load the data first time using this manifest file, it is going to work because it's looking for these three files, which is the mandatory true, and the fourth file, which is the mandatory false, which is not there. So it should work. This is the manifest 1 file. In the manifest 1 file, what we have done, we did not change anything but just change this to mandatory true. So that's how the manifest command is going to fail. So please go ahead, make change to your manifest files, manifest and manifest 1 for your S3 path and upload the file. You can upload your manifest file wherever you want. I have also uploaded the manifest 1 inside the manifest, and I have uploaded the outside also, as you have seen in the course. So please upload these files and let's start doing the copy command. So once the files have been uploaded, we are going to create the table first. So you can go to the editor, and this is the syntax to create the table. So let me go ahead and create the table. Then we are going to do the copy. So we are going to say copy customer manifest. I think that's the table name from my S3 path. So this is the manifest, and remember I need to give the final file name. So it's manifest. Copy S3 URL. So my IAM role is this, which has been already attached to the cluster. Format Parquet. And when you use the manifest, and the manifest at the end. So that's how the copy command knows that you are using the manifest file. So let's go and run this one. It took 18 seconds to load this data, and it loaded this much rows into our custom manifest table. So let's change this manifest file to manifest 1 and let's see what happens. Because we know the manifest 1 file has the fourth file, which is made as mandatory true. So when I ran for the manifest 1, it failed and it says file not found. So it was looking for this final file part 03, which is not available, and that's why it failed. I also have the manifest file outside, so you can keep the manifest file anywhere and you can pass. So this manifest 1 is here, which is the same copy as the other one. So if I go and change path to manifest 1, we should be seeing the same error because this one is outside, so I need to update the path. And if I run, I'm going to see the same error because both are the same file. So that's how we can use the manifest file to load the data using the copy command by providing the file path, mandatory, content length. Depending on if you are loading the ORC or Parquet file, it will be loading the data in your Redshift table. So go ahead and load your data using the manifest file. Thank you very much for watching this video.